Welcome. In front of me is an Oscal C20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pop off the cover of your device. There we go. And then right here you'll find a couple different places where you can place your SIM cards and one for SD card. I'm going to start with the SD card. So once you place it here, just slide it in there. There we go. That's as far as it needs to go. And then same thing goes for the SD card, or SD card, SIM card I meant to say. Now right here you have engravings of how you're supposed to put that card in. So you can see that the cutout is going to be on the bottom left side. Place it like so, and that's all you need to do. Flipping it over. It's already prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin, so I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to unlock the device. And obviously SIM card is working and SD card is working as well, as it just popped up with the notification at the bottom. So there we go. That is how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.